Hello, dear people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're currently scrolling through Pinterest or rebuilding your wardrobe for the season, wait before you hit add to cart. Most people waste hundreds of dollars trying to look expensive, but they're completely missing the mark. High-end style has nothing to do with logos. It's about effortless styling formulas. Today, we're decoding 5 major aesthetics dominating the streets right now. These tailoring and layering hacks will instantly upgrade your look. Let's break down these looks one by one. Look 1. The tailored vest. Looking at the first outfits, the tailored waistcoat is officially taking over as a standalone summer top. Pairing a structured, double-breasted beige linen vest with flowy white trousers creates an ultra-premium, quiet luxury vibe. It's sophisticated, breathable, and ideal for a polished city look or an upscale vacation destination. By eliminating the typical base layer underneath, this outfit transforms traditional tailoring into something fresh, daring, and perfectly adapted for the heat. The stark, clean line where the linen meets the relaxed fit of the trousers accentuates the silhouette beautifully, while the monochromatic undertones exude a high-end, wealthy simplicity. Look 2. Elevated high-waist denim combo. Next up, this style redefines your basic everyday t-shirt and jeans combo. By tucking a crisp, padded shoulder white tee into ultra-high-waisted, wide-leg denim, you instantly elevate the silhouette. Cinched with a slim brown belt and paired with a chic shoulder bag, it gives off a highly deliberate and directional fashion edge. The magic of this outfit lies entirely in its structure and proportions. The subtle power of the padded shoulders creates a striking contrast against the closely cinched waistline, drawing the eye down into the exaggerated length of the jeans. It turns the most casual pieces in your wardrobe into an editorial statement. This outfit is perfect for someone who wants to look modern and fashion-forward while maintaining the absolute comfort of an off-duty model. Look 3. Effortless slip layering. Moving to the third look, we see a stunning way to transition intimate evening wear into a chic day outfit. A sleek black satin slip dress is perfectly balanced by layering an oversized light blue unbuttoned shirt over it. Styled with trendy two-tone ballet flats and a micro handbag, it's the epitome of effortless Parisian street style. The contrast between the fluid, light-reflecting satin and the casual, structured cotton of the unbuttoned shirt brings a beautiful duality to the ensemble. It feels incredibly chic because it doesn't look like it tried too hard. The shirt drops relaxed off the shoulders, softening the inherent sensuality of the slip dress into something completely wearable for a morning coffee run or an afternoon gallery stroll. Look 4. Coastal tailoring. Look, our fourth outfit, we see the ultimate fusion of relaxed and polished style. A breezy, blue-striped button-down shirt tucked into structured white wide-leg trousers creates an instant coastal chic aesthetic. Styled with simple tan slides and a matching leather belt, it's the perfect look for looking effortlessly put together on warm summer days. This look completely embraces the effortless chic and minimalist aesthetic, allowing the crisp stripes and relaxed tailoring to speak for themselves. The breathability of the shirt combined with the flowy silhouette of the wide-leg pants ensures maximum comfort without sacrificing sophistication. It is a highly directional summer choice that feels both deeply curated and entirely unbothered, making it an absolute staple for anyone aiming to channel a premium, laid-back vibe during the sun-drenched months. Look 5. Oversized power casual. Finally, the last outfit showcases the perfect summer outerwear styling. Taking a simple white tank and light wash baggy jeans, this look is instantly leveled up with a sharp, oversized gray blazer. Paired with chunky sneakers and a structured black handbag, it masters that high-low contrast that looks incredibly high-end. The heavy tailoring of the blazer completely recontextualizes the relaxed, street-ready nature of the baggy denim and casual tank top. By mixing elements of corporate power dressing with everyday athletic luxury, this look achieves a perfect balanced harmony. It is the ultimate uniform for a digital creator or modern trendsetter who needs to transition seamlessly from creative meetings to a casual evening out. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these 6 aesthetics do you like the most? And which one would you never wear? Let me know in the comments because I always enjoy reading your messages. If you enjoyed this fashion breakdown, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming style guides. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today.
Sending you a big hug, and I'll see you in the next one.